You can hide jigs by going here. If your boxes are in gray, .2015 Mercedes Benz CL 300 W205 chassis, sitting on Kallemyne fixtures. Okay, so when this set up, they had to make some changes on these front jigs. Had to make use a special S adapter in here to get up inside this tube, right? Okay, folks. And then back here, we had to manipulate the jig and drop it down so this would come down below the control arm. So we had to use a shorter tower and an extension on top of the UP plate in order to reach up to the center bolt of the front cradle.